Dynamics 365 interfaces are fairly complicated, especially for users who are coming in for the first time or looking at it after a long time. And obviously all these things in Dynamics can be changed by companies, so it's never the same environment. So how do you make it simple for users? How do you make it so wherever they are, they can find the help and the training that they need at their moment of need? So as an example over here, as you can see, there's this inline help, some button, another button, and then this tab right here. All these things are provided in this particular case at the Sales Hub within Opportunities. If I'm a user looking at this thing, I would say, all right, well, yes, I do need to convert currency. You click on this and you're able to convert currency directly in here instead of having to go out somewhere to do it. That's a help item that's been put on the page to help them at their moment of need. Similarly, this icon here, well, I don't know what forecast category is, so I click on this and here's some information about what forecast category is. Similarly, the Get Started button here gives me some navigation guidance as to what I'm looking at, if I clicked on something, what would happen. So these are walkthroughs, inline help icons, buttons, and so forth. There's actually one more on the page regarding timeline, if I want to know about timeline. All these have been put into place with the VisualSP system, which, as I mentioned before, is right here in this tab. So I click on the tab Dynamics Help, and this gives me all this kinds of information that I need as a user for where I am. So I want to, for example, create an opportunity, it's right there, create an opportunity. I click on that. In this particular case, is actually a quick video that I can watch and see exactly how do I do that. I can even pop it out, so I have it on a separate screen while I'm watching, and I can do this thing. And there's lots more additional items here at the opportunities screen. Now, because I'm in opportunities, I get all this content for opportunities. If I went to a different screen, let's go to, for example, leads. In the leads screen, Dynamics Help is still there, but now information is different. And if I go into it shows me how do I qualify a lead and more. Okay. And in here, there's additional information, additional content like walkthroughs. For example, I want to create a lead, so it's going to walk me through, click leads, click on new, and then moving forward, which fields are required for creating a lead. And then, just walking me through the whole thing, which I won't go through right now. And if I want to modify this, which of course for every company is going to be a little different, I go in the tab again, how to create a lead, I'll go to modify. And in here, there's a walkthrough builder, which very easily lets me target specific elements. So to click leads, for example, if I select that element, this is the one that's selected. If I wanted to select a different element, very easy, select a different element. You click on use it, and it's going to point to that instead. So very easy to create walkthroughs from scratch or modify existing ones that we provide out of the box, which there's many of it that we provide out of the box also, walkthroughs, videos, and so forth. And of course, in the back end, we want to know what's going on with the analytics of which users are clicking on what data. So if I go to analytics in this particular environment as an admin, I can see that between a certain date range, 137 help items have been viewed, how many person hours savings has occurred because of that, and how much savings in productivity in terms of dollars and cents. All that information I need to know, obviously, of what we're getting as a return on investment for VisualSP. Then there's clicks by application, exact search terms, what is being searched, where were they when they searched it, and when was it was last searched. User email data, this can be shown or it could be obfuscated into a regular GUID, so it's not identifying user data. It could be either or depending on the privacy needs for the organization. Clicks by help item, I can see exactly what someone has looked at. So forecasting categories, only one user here, but which users have looked at the forecasting categories help item. Clicks by browser, clicks by media type. There's a lot of good information like that that's available in the analytics as well to give me understanding of exactly how the help system is being utilized everywhere within Dynamics. So that's a quick run through of what VisualSP for Dynamics does. It's providing information, support, training for users at their moment of need in context of their environment.